Industrial companies in energy and manufacturing are answering the call to be more sustainable. At the same time, these same companies are coming under greater scrutiny for their sustainability practices. They're challenged to be stewards of the environment and transparent in their operations. Going forward, your company must bring accountability to your sustainability goals. By combining solutions from Uptake and Microsoft, you can put your company in a better position for ESG reporting requirements. Here's how. Uptake Fusion captures the right data from your industrial assets directly from your source systems and transfers to the cloud. Asset data is automated and securely stored on the Microsoft Azure platform, providing a consistent system of record. We then organize the data so it's accessible for specific ESG frameworks, guidelines, and standards that apply to your industry. You can more easily monitor, track, and record metrics and KPIs on areas such as energy, consumption, emissions, water, and waste. Departments from compliance, engineering, and operations to maintenance run their own reports using the same operational data set and consistent system of record. Leverage data granularity across the ecosystem to make smarter decisions regarding sustainability, operations, risk, and safety. Microsoft Azure's open platform is the perfect repository for all types of data, along with advanced analytical tools. Uptake's reputation for translating industrial data into insights for asset performance and risk analysis also applies to ESG. Bringing accountability to sustainability isn't about giving up profitability. It's about enabling digital and data strategies, so it's easier to also pursue sustainability goals and comply with ESG mandates. Uptake and Microsoft can help. It's a new day for industrial energy and manufacturing companies. Learn more at uptake.com.